जैसा कोई नहीं है। बस नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पा दिलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Oh, first of all, I would like to heartily congratulate and greet the Government of India and people of India on this auspicious occasion of the 71st Republic Day. I think over the past 71 years, India made so many great progress in every field. So we also like to remember and congratulate for them. And meanwhile, the people of India and the Government of India have been extremely grateful, kind to the Tibetan people. First of all, by giving the political asylum to our great leader, His Holiness Dalai Lama, and then followed by around 100,000 Tibetan people, exile people, by giving all the facilities, including education, settlement, and all those things. So we are extremely grateful for those, and because of the India's kindness, we are still, we are still very much in our path to achieve our national goal, and we have preserved everything in exile intact. So that's a great achievement, and we are very happy about this, and much of the credit goes to the people and Government of India.